What I've done here is I've used a splitter to split these two guys into one. So this is actually the rim. So really at all, it kind of is like this. If you were looking at the way this is plugged in, you have Tom 1, Tom 2, Tom 3, and Tom 1 is split into this, and the rim goes to this. So what I had to do is compensate on the sound end a little bit. I'll show you. It's really simple, but see, like, look, there's a splitter here, goes into Tom 1, and then I just use these little like guitar cables to like split it from this tom into the splitter and into the other tom, another guitar cable here. Okay, and so that works really good. The only thing you need to know is, like, at first this is like really quiet, so there's a problem, or there's a, anytime you use a splitter, you're gonna have this problem that you're gonna be like, wait, how do I fix it? It's really easy. So again, I said this is the tom and this is the rim. So all we gotta do is I went in here to this guy. So over here on the module, you'll see this setting is set to port noise. So it's kind of like my port noise sound and drum set, where it has like a china here, a splash on top, and then a splash on top, and a crash, and then a really like legacy, like thin crash here, and some stacks, like 14-inch stacks, kind of like these guys. Yeah, go over here to this guy, click system, and it's gonna say, hard to see, trigger, click enter, go to bank, enter, and then you just want to make sure you're hitting the right one. So I'll go over here and I hit it, and you can tell it switches up here from head to rim, not on rim. Okay, so I change rim and go to parameters here, and then just make sure this rim gain is up. So like it was set to something like, yeah, I think it was like 0.2. So I put it up to 1.3 and it sounds great now. So that's how you fix that. Okay, and so another thing I can show you here is when you split the sounds between a splash and a crash, sometimes you hit like really soft and it goes really loud. And the way to fix that is it just means like your sensitivity here. If you go back to kind of the same spot here, you're at this and you click system down here, go to, you can't read it, hold on. There you go, trigger, and then click on the bank, click the symbol you're talking about, so edge, okay, meaning hit it, like, and then you go down here to parameters, and the sensitivity is what you're looking at. So if you go down here to like that for me was like way too sensitive, so I'm bringing it down to about, I was bringing it down to 1 and see the difference, right? And then I like it kind of 1.5. So there you go, and then that makes it so like it's more like a shh, kind of both on top and bottom, like kind of give it some dynamics there. So there you go. That's another thing I noticed, and just pointing that out for you so you know how to find it on this module, because every module is different, right? Anyway, there you go.